you today and welcome to Letscookolet. Today I'm going to show you how to make healthy, vegan, plant-based potato and chickpeas casserole. It's gonna be amazing and yummy dish to make. If you don't feel like peeling the potatoes, just give it a little cut. Don't go deep, just a little tiny bit to make mark all the way around in the middle. And I'll show you after how easy the skin comes out. I'm using a yellow potato because it doesn't take long to cook. Next step here, I'm gonna work with the crushed wheat. So we're gonna soak the crushed wheat. Make sure it's a warm water. Stove on a medium high, olive oil, and we're going to toast the walnuts first. And the walnuts here, they're small pieces. And when you toast the walnuts, that gives you amazing flavor to your meal. So onions small diced, and here I have some fresh coriander. It's a rough chop. Voila, doesn't take long, about a minute or a little bit less. Now I'm gonna add the onions, and we're gonna saute the onion a little bit, then add the chickpeas. Salt and pepper, and you cook the chickpeas till it's completely soft and easy to break. Before we turn off, we're gonna add the coriander, the fresh coriander, some sumac spice, fresh lemon. Nice. Turn off. Let me give a quick try. It's really hot. Missing some cumin, so I'm gonna add a little bit cumin to it and give it a final mix and put it on a side and waiting for the potatoes. Potatoes ready, turn off, and let's transfer them into a big bowl. Here we go. Now we're gonna peel them, and I'll show you how easy to peel. Hot. You remember when we sliced it in the middle? So now all what you have to do, a little twist and pull, and look at that. See how easy? Perfect. Now let's smash it a little bit before we add the crushed wheat and the rest of the ingredients. Now the crushed wheat, the one we soaked it in the warm water, you can see it now absorbed all the water. So I'm gonna put them in. I have here panko breadcrumbs, a dry thyme, and the salt and pepper, of course, olive oil, and now we're gonna mix it together very well to become a little bit like a dough. Perfect. Look at that. Beautiful and like a dough. Little bit oil in the bottom. Give it a quick brush everywhere. And let's start putting the first layer. So both layers about ½ inch thick, and we're going to put first layer in the bottom, and then the chickpeas filling, and then the second layer. Just make sure you make it all even. Now the filling. Yum, look at this. Voila. Now it's ready. Now the last layer. This is going to be a super yummy, delicious, vegan, plant-based casserole. A little bit oil on top, black and white toasted sesame, and make sure you preheat your oven on a 400 and ready to go in. Nice. Look at that beauty after 35 minutes in the oven. And now ready to serve. Here we go. Lovely. The tomato and cucumber salad. And a little steamed vegetable beside it. Go well with it. Wow, it's a must-make meal. Eat well, stay safe. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.